What is that? Is it tools? Are there drawers on your toolbox? What's inside of those drawers? What is that? Gentle, please. Oh, you like that one. How does it work? Oh my goodness. That's pretty neat. What else do you have in there? Well, do you need Mommy to help you? Come bring it to Mama. I'll help you. Okay. Get your tool. Let's put it back. Oh, it's time to destroy. Every once in a while we have destroy time. Well, there we go. That's the way to trash the house. Yeah, it's a little uh-oh. Brett, is that funny? You're not supposed to throw, okay? Hey, Brett. In 4 years each of college, neither one has passed the test. Do you want to put your goggles on? Can you do it? Almost. Here, let's put it on your face. Ready? Put this down. Whoa. Wait, did we get it? I'm not quite sure. Your ears are stuck out. Brett, look at Mommy. Oh, he's got to look in the oven here. You see his reflection. Can you see yourself? Oh, it's not right. Let's fix it. Look at Mom. Look up. Here, got to fix it here. There we go. Aw. That's pretty cute. That's yucky. No. Brett, is that yucky?